In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can run 2 Facebook apps on your iPhone. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up the Safari browser on your iPhone and go to facebook.com. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and log into your second account here. After you log in, go ahead and select this little share button down here and then select share up at the top. And you're going to want to select the specific option for add to home screen. Select this just like so. Hit add, and then you're going to see it on your home screen right here. And this is going to be a direct link onto Safari, specifically onto facebook.com. So now you're going to have this with your second account and then the main app with your main account, just like so. But that is really it. 2 Facebook apps on 1 iPhone, quick and simple. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.